artificial intelligence
is already taking tech
Our
jobs.
future with artificial
A
intelligence.
growing number of college students are reportedly turning to artificial intelligence for
Crime
help.
around the world expected to cost more than $10 trillion this year.
Artificial intelligence will 100% change everyone's job.
Do you remember this video of Will Smith eating spaghetti from a few years ago? This was fully generated by AI. Now, let's take a look at the video today. But how good is AI at solving math problems? A lot of students rely on AI to help them study, but how accurate is it? Today, I'll be testing AI by seeing if it can beat me in solving math problems. Here are the rules. I'll start the timer as soon as the prompt goes in. If it beats my time, the AI gets a point. If it gets the answer wrong or is slower, I get a point. Let's find out if AI can beat a math YouTuber. Okay, and let's start in 3, 2, and 1. Okay, in the figure shown, WZ and XY intersect at point Q. YQ equals 63, WQ equals 70, WX equals 60, and XQ equals 120. What is length of YZ? Well, it looks like these are similar triangles because we have two congruent angles. These two are congruent because of vertical angles, and that means the other one's going to be congruent as well. So we have two similar triangles. We can set a proportion, right? So 70 over 63, these two sides, and then equals 60 over whatever YZ is. Let's simplify this further to be 10 over 9 equals 60 over YZ, and cross multiply to get 540 equals 10 YZ, and then divide by 10 on both sides to get YZ equals 54. Once I hit the send button, the timer will start. And 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, and stop. Okay, and let's solve this one in 3, 2, and 1. In the figure shown, points QRST line PV, and line RU intersects line SX at point W. Measure of SQX is 48, so SQX is 48. SXQ is 86. SWU is 85, and VTU is 162. Okay, so if this angle is 162, and this means that this angle is 18, because these angles are supplementary, and these angles are supplementary too, so that means that this is 95. And then these three angles make up a triangle, which adds up to 180. So 48 plus 86 plus x equals 180. So that means that x equals 46. And then in this triangle, we have 95 and 46, and then x, which should add up to 180. That means that this is 39. And then we have this big triangle here. We have 39 plus 18 plus y equals 180. So that means that y is equal to 123. So we have 123. That means the angle TUR is equal to 123 degrees. Okay, so let's add the second photo here in 3, 2, and 1. That's close, but it's not right. So this is the final problem. Usually ChatGPT has trouble with these figure problems, so we'll see. And let's start in 3, 2, and 1. In the figure, AC equals CD. Let's write that first. The measure angle EBC is 45. The measure angle ACD is 104. What is the measure of angle X? Well, since these two sides are congruent, these two angles are going to be congruent, so we can set this to Y. That means that in this triangle, right, we have 104 plus 2y equals 180. This angle x is an external angle to this angle, and an external angle to an angle in a triangle is equal to the sum of the non-adjacent interior angles of the triangle. So that means that x equals 45 plus y. Let's solve for y over here. Let's subtract 104 on both sides to get 2y equals 76, and divide by 2 on both sides to get y equals 38. And then let's add 38 here. X equals 45 plus 38. And then that should be x equals 83 degrees. So we got the value of x is 83 degrees. 3, 2, 1, go. I was able to beat the AI. AI was quicker with its solutions, but less accurate than I was. If you ever need a problem solved, you don't need to use ChatGPT. Feel free to post it in my community, and I'll be happy to solve it. Also, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I'm so glad you guys are enjoying the videos, and I can't wait to keep posting more. Keep learning, and thanks for watching.